Follow the steps on how to create a simple negative space typography in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by typing a text. Right-click and create outlines. Then ungroup. Selection, then press Shift-X to display the line. Adjust the position closer. Press M and create a rectangle here. Select and press Shift-X to return it to the original. Press Shift-M for Shape Builder. Click and drag to combine. Use Alt to delete the clicked section. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.